Think you're strong? What if I told you there's one calisthenics move so difficult that less than 1% of elite athletes can pull it off? It's not just about strength, it's about skill, balance, and absolute control over your body. Today, I'll reveal this insanely challenging move, why it's nearly impossible, and most importantly, how you can start training for it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to master this exercise. So, do you have what it takes? Let's find out. Before we unveil the hardest move, let's take a step back. Why is calisthenics so fascinating? Calisthenics is not just about fitness. It is about complete control over your body. Unlike lifting weights, where brute force is often enough, calisthenics requires a combination of strength. You must be able to lift and hold your body weight with ease. Balance. Many advanced movements require perfect equilibrium. Endurance. Holding certain positions for just a few seconds can be brutal. Mobility. Your joints and muscles must work together to achieve smooth movements. The origins of calisthenics. Did you know that some of the strongest warriors in history relied on calisthenics? The Spartans trained using bodyweight exercises to develop unmatched battle endurance. The Shaolin monks used isometric holds to build their legendary strength. Ancient gymnasts mastered body control.
You're joking!
Creating the foundation for modern calisthenics. Unlike weight training, which requires gym equipment, calisthenics is pure body mastery. You do not need machines, just discipline, consistency, and the will to push your limits. Over the years, calisthenics has evolved into a global movement, with athletes constantly pushing the limits of human strength. And at the very peak of this movement, one move stands above the rest. What is the hardest bodyweight move that only the best of the best can perform? The one-arm planche. Why is this move so tough? Let's break it down. It's a full-body challenge. You're holding your entire body up on one hand while keeping yourself perfectly parallel to the ground. Immense shoulder and wrist strength on. Your wrist, forearm, and shoulders bear all the weight. Core engagement like never before. You'll collapse in seconds without extreme core strength. Balance and control. Even if you're crazy strong, lack of control equals instant failure. The regular planche is already a brutal move, but removing an arm? That's like balancing a car on a single tire while keeping it from falling over. Can you train for it? Step-by-step progression. So now the big question, can you achieve this move? Absolutely, but it's going to take time, discipline, and strategic training. Step 1. Build fundamental strength. Before thinking about a one-arm planche, you need elite-level upper body strength. Here's your baseline: 50+ push-ups in one go, 30+ dips with perfect form, 15-second tuck planche hold, one-arm push-ups, at least 10 per side. If you can't do these yet, don't worry, we'll work up to them. Step 2. Master the tuck planche. Start in a tucked position, knees close to chest. Focus on straight arms and balance. Hold for at least 20 seconds before progressing. The wrist angle is crucial. Keeping your hands slightly turned out can provide more stability. Step 3. Unlock the full planche. Key drill. The straddle planche. Legs spread slightly apart. Isometric holds. Aim for 5 to 10 seconds before collapsing. Planche leans. Lean forward until your feet barely lift off. Once you can hold a full planche for at least 5 seconds, you're getting close. Step 4. Transition to one-arm support. This is where it gets insane. Start shifting weight onto one arm while keeping the other barely on the ground. Try fingertip support on the other hand before lifting off completely. Use resistance bands to assist your balance and strength adaptation. This step alone can take months to master. The mindset required. Mastering this move is not just about physical strength, it's about mental resilience. Many athletes fail not because they can't do it, but because they give up too soon. Three, mindset keys to succeed. Patience. This move could take years to master. Accept that. Consistency. Training once a week? Not enough. You need daily micro improvement. Resilience. You will fail hundreds of times before success. That's part of the process. Every time you fail, you're one step closer to mastering it. So, we've uncovered the hardest calisthenics move, but the real question is, will you step up and take the challenge? Here's what to do next. Start with step 1 today. Drop a comment with your current level, common mistakes, and how to fix them. Most people fail to achieve the one-arm planche because of these mistakes: lack of shoulder strength. Solution: do handstand push-ups and weighted dips. Weak core. Solution: train with L-sits and dragon flags. Poor wrist mobility. Solution: perform wrist stretching and strengthening drills. Skipping progressions. Solution: do not rush. Master each step before moving forward. Are you ready to take the challenge? We have uncovered the hardest calisthenics move. The real question is, will you step up and train for it? What you should do next: start with step 1 today. Drop a comment with your current level. Commit to training for the next 3 months. Track your progress. Subscribe for more insane calisthenics breakdowns. Bonus challenge: I will be featuring the best viewer progress clips in an upcoming video. Tag me on social media when you start training. Calisthenics is not about lifting weights. It is about lifting yourself mentally and physically. Start today because your strongest self is waiting. If you want to learn how to master other advanced calisthenics moves, let me know in the comments. Whether it is the human flag, front lever, handstand push-ups, or something even crazier, I will break it down step by step in a future video. So drop a comment and tell me which move you want to see next. No matter where you are in your journey, remember this: the hardest things are the most rewarding. Strength is built, one failure at a time. If you put in the work, the results will come. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to take on this challenge? Now go train, and I will see you in the next video.